What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to the Freetrepreneur channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step, I mean in depth, how you can plan a whole month of content on Instagram, right? So you don't have to waste time posting every single day. If you're serious about Instagram, or if you're a business, you understand that time is valuable. So what you want to do is that you want to find tools. I'm going to show you 3 tools. 2 are paid and 1 is free. 3 tools that you can use today or at this second to plan a whole month of content. As you can see, this is one tool, and this is another tool that you can plan a whole month of content on Instagram in about 1 hour or maybe 1 day if you're slow. Now, and this is the 3rd tool, which is completely free. Now, why is it really important? Like I said, if you're serious about Instagram, if you listen to me, what you can see, I've grown several pages on Instagram, like this one, Lions Roar, 147,000 followers. Like this other page, 120,000 followers. This other page, 27,000 followers. This other page, 10,000 followers. This other baby page, 6,000 followers. Now, so I know what matters when it comes to beating the Instagram algorithm and really grow pages, whether they are personal pages or business pages. So when I say in-depth, I go really in-depth. If you're new to this channel, you will realize that I cover everything ranging from Instagram growth tip, Facebook growth tip, e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, blogging. Like you can see, if you check my videos, you will realize that I go in-depth because I have tried all of them and I have had failures and successes, and I really want to share with you what works and what doesn't, so you really know, like you really improve your strategies once you really dive into it, right? So make sure you smash the like button and you subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Like I have covered so many things. I drop gems, like really good videos in depth to show you step by step how to do things. Now, if you really want to grow on Instagram, and for example your personal brand, or you have a personal account and you want that to blow up, it's a lot harder than a theme page. Like, by the way, if I'm going to give this baby page for free, because like if you can see, the last time I posted a picture was like January 2019, so I don't have time to grow this. So if you want to receive this page, make sure you smash the like button and you subscribe, because we're going to enter like a giveaway. Now, I just want to show you an example of 2 personal page and show you how it's really difficult first to grow a personal brand page versus a theme page, right? If you look at my boy, for example, Biahesa, which I really like appreciate because he's really doing great videos on YouTube, like you realize that he has a lot of likes, maybe coming from his YouTube fans, but if you look at the consistency in posting, like he posted last time on March 27, and the time before that was March 2nd, and it's the same with most great page, but the quality of the video that he posts is really good. Now, if you look, for example, at this one, Erin on Demand, for example, she's also a great YouTuber, like more than 100,000 subscribers. What you first want to do is that before even engaging into consistent posting with like that planner, you want to make sure that you optimize first your bio. And I really like her bio because she tells exactly what she is on her bio. She's a brand strategist, that her name is Erin, and then what does she do? Like if you come to her Instagram, you will know what she's about. She helps entrepreneurs stand out online through videos and storytelling. So people visiting your page can easily DM you if they know exactly how you can help them, and if they know exactly what you founded. Now, if you're a business, for example, like you want to make sure you optimize, you follow this strategy, optimize your bio. Now, after you've optimized your bio, look at the quality of her picture, right? You want to make sure there are things that matters for Instagram. First, consistency of posting. Like if you look at these pages, for example, I grew this page posting 1,600 posts. That's a lot of posts. Now, If it's a personal page, people might like your personality, and so then you might have a lot more subscribers really fast. But you need one consistency in posting. You need to find the right timing. You need to engage with people. You need to comment on other famous related pages than yours. Now, the first one, I'm going to cover the first one, consistency in posting, right? If you're a business, for example, or if you're really busy, maybe you're a student, or maybe you work 9 to 5, or maybe you're an entrepreneur, you have so many aspects of your life or business that you have to handle that you don't necessarily have time to post every single day at the exact time, right? Because what matters for people subscribing to you, following and unfollowing you, is whether they really get consistent and good content from you. And the benefit of using a planner like this is that it will allow you to plan your feed, your Instagram feed, with precise, like for example, if I come here and I drop this with precise caption, like you plan the caption, you plan the people on it, you even add a link on the Instagram. So I'm going to show you this other app that can allow you to even add a link to that Instagram post, even if you don't have 10,000 subscribers or followers on Instagram. So the first tool that I use, okay, to plan my feed on Instagram, like for example, if I take this feed, for example, to plan this beautiful feed on Instagram, for example, it's called Socialrabid. What Socialrabid does is that it allows you to grow, like even if you look at my Pinterest page, I even grew a Pinterest page to about 425,000 monthly viewers and 2,000 followers. This on complete automation. Now, the first one, like I said, you need is Socialrabid that you can use. This allows you to plan 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year of content. If you, for example, grow a theme page and you already have a bunch of pictures that you want to post every day or every 2 days. Now, how does it work? Socialrabid, if you go on Google, you type Socialrabid, you will probably purchase the plugin. It's a WordPress plugin. Like with this, you need a website. If you don't have a website, then the 2 other options are for you. But if you do have a website, you can get the plugin Socialrabid for about $69. Once you've installed and you've activated, right, and you click, for example, on your dashboard, you click here on Socialrabid, right? After you click on Socialrabid, you have this. The planner is what allows you to plan, and you can connect 4 social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, right? So what you do is that you come on planner. Let's say today is, for example, the 5th. Now you want to plan until the 5th of next month. What you do is that you first come on media gallery. Let's say you have a bunch of pictures already on your laptop or your desktop or your computer, right? Is that you want to go on media gallery, and then what you want to do is that you want to add media. So when you add media, it will allow you to import a bunch of pictures like this one over here, right? After you've imported them, after you select or you import, you add media, and then you upload, you come here and drop file. You either select and drop, or you click here, you select all the files. Now when you have all your pictures like this, they are in your media gallery. So what you come here on planner again, is that, for example, if you've connected already your Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, and then on each, if you want to connect each of the pages, you just need to hover over here and click on authorize. You authorize your Facebook page. You come here, you authorize your Instagram page. You come here, you authorize your Pinterest page. You come here, you authorize your Twitter page. Now you can, after you've done that, you've authorized all your pages, you just come here, you click on new event. What, for example, if you're a WooCommerce store and you have also product, right, you have also product on your WooCommerce that you want to post on Instagram, you can post a product, you can post a post. If you have a blog that you want the blog to be posted on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook, you can even do that from here. Now let's say you have pictures, right, like we imported already in the media gallery. So what you do is that you click media. You can even also post those pictures on the Instagram story. So what you do, you click here on media gallery, right, and then you select, for example, the pictures that you've imported. Let's say I select this amazing picture. Now I want to post that. You select the platform where you want to post them. I want to post them on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, right? Maybe you want to post them on Twitter or not. Now you select the time, right? I want to post them at, for example, you can say, okay, I decided the time. If you figured out the time that works for you, right? If you go on your insight on Instagram and you click on analytics, for example, and you see that a lot of people engage with your pictures when you post them at 8 a.m. Now what you want to do, you want to post them here at 08, or okay, let's say I want to post them at 8 a.m. Right, you want to post them, for example, at 8 a.m. or 8:30, doesn't really matter, right? Now here is how it works. Now this is where you put your description or your caption, right? So you want to do, it's like I don't know, you put whatever you want to do. It's like, how would you caption this, for example, or rate this 1 to 10? Or maybe if you're trying to sensitize people, you can just put a long message that you've already prepared, and you're also playing your hashtag. This is like, for example, lion, and then Lions Royal, which is my page, for example, and you click on save, right? You can plan multiple posts a day. You can apply the same thing. You can plan, this is, for example, on the 23rd. Okay, so I think I posted that on the 23rd instead of the 5th, right? So if you want to change that, you can even go back there and change that and change the time. You can delete if you don't like it, you can actually delete it. Now, so and this doesn't work because the day is already passed, I believe so. So you want to plan on the days that are not yet passed. Now the second app that I want to show you, it's called Latercalm, right? Now the first one is about $69 and you have it for life. Latercalm is like, they have a free version and the paid version. Now the free version is like this. Once you create an account on Latercalm, this is your dashboard. You come here on calendar, right? You can, once you connect with your Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter, you can even add probably LinkedIn. What you do is that if you come here on analytics, you have all your Instagram analytics, for example. You can figure out the best timing, and then what you do is that you come here on calendar. You have the day, you have all the day. You can plan for the month, right? I think they have a limitation for using the month calendar, I think so, something like that. Now if you have the month here, for example, you can click here, I want to post tomorrow. Like if you upload your media, or you can just select all your media, you can just come here, you get your picture, like I don't know, you come here on pictures, for example, you select your picture, you come here, you drag them here, you upload them here. Now what you do is that after that, you want to drag a picture on every single day that you want to post. Like I want to post tomorrow, I want to post, and this is my caption, right? I'm gonna say rate this, or at Baus, like I don't know, at Freetrepreneur, we aim to serve you, blah 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 blah. You put your hashtag, yeah. And what's even better about this is that they have a hashtag suggestion. Now you can even, what's actually better is that you can add a link to a web page. Let's say, for example, this is a product pictures that you've imported. Now what you want to do is that you want to you can copy the link to the product. You can actually paste that here, and then it will be on your bio. So when people will click on your bio, they will have all your pictures, and from the picture they can access each link that they want, right? So when you do that, you select the day and the time. You can change it to like 9 p.m. or I don't know, whatever works for you. You can change this to 9 a.m. So figure out your time, figure out what works best for you, what time your audience is the most engaged on Instagram, and post at that time. After you've done that, you can now click on save, or you can even click on auto publication. So you do that for each day, right? You plan for today, for tomorrow, for the next day. Now the third, and they have about 30 Instagram posts per month, right? So you can post for free. Now if you upgrade the plan, probably you can post many times a day. The last one that I want to show you is called If This Then That. This is one of the most powerful planner. The reason why it's really powerful, not only it's free, but also it's so versatile in the sense that, for example, when you create an account with If This Then That, and then I'll put the link in the description, right? So it's that you have multiple platform, social media platform, but also like platform like Dropbox, Buffer, email, and YouTube. That you can sync them into one. Let's say, for example, you just need one trigger. You can connect all your Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook pages, Flickr pages, Tumblr pages in a way that you just need one trigger. Once you post on Instagram, that will post as well on Facebook, on Pinterest, on SoundCloud, on Twitter, on Tumblr, on all these other apps, depending on what you want, right? And so this, for example, if I click on Instagram, like all the apps for Instagram, you can say, hey, you can click here, post my Instagram to Tumblr. Like if you've connected your Instagram and Tumblr accounts already, once you post the picture on Instagram, it will automatically post on Tumblr. You can do that the same with Flickr. You can do that the same with Twitter. You can do the same with Evernote, Telegram, Facebook. So this is a lot more powerful because you don't need to connect on every single of those apps to post or to schedule content. Maybe once a day you have 5 minutes at 9 a.m. that you can just go, and even you can combine all of them in the sense that you can just schedule for one here. If you schedule, for example, for Instagram here, boom, and then you connect all your pages here, then once this will post on your Instagram, these applets will just post on the other platforms for you. So this is a lot more powerful. Again, in this channel, make sure you smash the like button and you smash the subscribe, because there is a lot of in-depth video that I cover in this channel just to help you, right? And so if you think this video was helpful to you, you can try them. If you have trouble with some of them, put a comment down below in the description. I will make sure I help you on that. Again, make sure you plan your Instagram bio strategically so people know what your brand is about, right? If you look, for example, at this other page, I tell exactly what this is. This is a clothing website. Like, I tell them every person is beautiful in his or her own way, and this is about menswear or men's like fashion. So it's like, if you're a business or you're serious about Instagram, your personal brand, you need consistency, you need to hit the right timing, and you need to have the right hashtag, you need to engage. But then these apps, for example, allow you to plan content on Instagram and it's ideal for a business or theme page, right? Because you can schedule a whole bunch of content, and then it frees your time, then you just focus on other aspects of your business. Again, this is about providing value to you by going in depth with every single thing that I cover. Like, if you see, I cover everything from e-commerce, dropshipping, Instagram growth tips, blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing. They're all interconnected. Whether you're doing e-commerce or dropshipping, you need leads, you need Instagram page. Whether you're doing blogging, you need Instagram as well. So that's why I cover all of them, because I've tried all of them. Now, If you want to make sure, if you think this is providing value to you and you want to receive new videos about these type of topics, make sure you smash the subscribe button. And until next time, take care. Bye.